Tiger Lily, what are you doing? Lettuce? So that's Tiger Lily. She helps me deal with anxiety, I guess. It's really good to have a pet. I know it's kind of selfish to have a pet, but kind of found it, and it's pretty lucky that I did have her in my life. One thing with dealing with anxiety, I've come across this technique where you just close your eyes. I know, close your eyes, deep breathing, that type of shit. It's all kind of generic, but life is generic, just like the pain that we deal with. So you might as well use techniques that are human to help yourself. So one of the things I do is I close my eyes and I think of a stream. The stream could be any colour, anything it wants to be. Like, could be even a stream of lava, whatever makes you happy. Are you the devil? Are you God? Anyway, so I think of this stream, and every time I have these thoughts that I hold on to, because that's what I think anxiety is for me, I hold on to thoughts. So I take these thoughts, I take a thought, I place it on a leaf, then I visualise it going downstream. Even if the thought comes back, I keep on doing it. But I found it really helps me. Like, when I first heard of this technique, it was kind of really hard to comprehend. Like, you're sitting there just going, oh, really? But your mind's a funny place, and I found it really helps me in dealing with thoughts that keep on reoccurring. And it's amazing. I don't know how my brain works, but I just did it then in the snap like that, and it feels better. Snap like that. Take 3. So yeah, if you're having trouble with anxiety, just breathe deep. Think of that ocean or that river, and just let go of those thoughts. They're just thoughts. You don't hold on to them, because at the moment all this is just 4 walls and a chair, and nothing else is going on here except the manipulation of everyone else's thoughts. So don't get caught in that. Hope it helps.
Go baby go. He's already just done some push-ups, but he's going to go again because he's fit. Got all the sweat coming off his face. Do it for me, baby. He's doing my push-ups.
High five.
So we have like natural green colour versus like we don't know why that's green.
It's soy. It's green because it's sweet. There's a natural one that's like white. So much smoothie goodness.
Tiger Lily. Tiger Lily. What are you doing? Do you want to say hello to YouTube? Hello, YouTube.
Yeah. Where's your account?
Tiger Lily.
Tiger Lily, where's your account? How many hits you got?
Oh, baby.
Good girl.
Thank you.
I clean the sheets.
Why are the sheets dirty, Mags?
Because someone doesn't like to clean up after themselves after they have a nice time.
Well, it'd help if you had curtains.
Huh? I didn't notice.
What's under there, Tiger Lily? What's under the little pillow? Hey? What's that, baby girl? You have a lizard in here. Tiger Willy.
What, she got the tail? Because look,
I don't know,
just look,
guys. I
look at
don't know
this.
if she's munching the tail
Yeah,
off
she just eats the tail. She loves it.
or if the tail has fallen off.
Nah, she eats them, babe. She fucking eats them.
Wait,
And
what I
you're so
do-
in denial.
What I do is I take them from her wherever she's put them and I take them outside. And she just... this lizard is so much smaller compared to... Look at him, he's scared. I'm going to take him outside now. She's looking for it. She's like, where's my little lizard?
Yep, that's my Tiger Lily.
It's nothing compared to the one she brought in the other day.
I know.
That long.
How big was your fish?
She brought one in the other day that was probably like that long and maybe like, say, that thick. It was crazy. I was in the shower and it was so loud. It was like that on the floor and it was just like, it was crazy. She thinks she's doing a good thing, you know, bringing us little presents, but no. Not a present, hey, Tiger Lily.
I'm just glad that there's animals in the world and humans have to fucking look at animals for like some type of relativity. Like, yeah, I'm the biggest animal I know. Meg's like the biggest vegan I know, so she's like saving the animals for show. But
The biggest vegan.
but yeah. So this is me eating my fucking breakfast. I've been watching YouTube videos of blonde Swedish girls who are vegan and not eating well. Massive hits, bro. It's like, yeah, I'm just a little bit depressed, sitting on my couch, eating my vegan leaf lifestyle. Oh look, is that like a 50-foot plasma screen behind me? I don't know. It's not good to hate on people, but fuck, man. I'm drinking green milk. It's not even fucking milk, man, from a cow. How do you give up milk? How do you give up milk, Joel? What about the cheese? Every fucking day, man. What about the cheese? What about the meth? What about the fucking pot? What about the fucking cigarettes? How do you give that up? You just do. People do. People just give up. How do you give up on reality? You just give up on everything that they're trying to sell to you. Smoothie time. Yeah.
Bossy had toast before.
I had toast, yeah. Benetton's toast. I just, yeah, people, like, Megs has said to me, like, Joel, you speak about meth too much, your past and all that type of stuff, and yeah, I do. We are who we are, and my story's not original. It's definitely not tragic because there's a whole lot more people with a lot more tragic stories than me. But it's how I relate. When you see everything as a drug and everything as excess and why we're actually doing anything, like for a long time I thought, this human race, what are we racing for? You know, Stephen Hawking's dream of, you know, if we don't leave this planet in the next 200 years and find another planet to colonize, is that the end of Earth? It's a bit of a cop-out, eh? So I just, yeah, how do you give up the cheese? How do you give up the milk? How do you give up? Smoothie time. So hard to get off coffee. I know, man. It's just fucking totally ingrained in who we are. But sometimes we need to find something different. Hope you find it too.
That was so good.
And I love my bowl.
Makes such a difference with what you eat out of.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you need a wooden cup?
Yeah.
Oh, really? A wooden cup. What about the stone one?